More of a courtesy.
What are you talking about?
I wanted to extend you the courtesy of letting you know that the charges against you will now include...
I never killed anyone in my life.
Yeah, I played the killer, but you definitely killed someone.
Talking about your ass.
Maybe so. Well, we got security camera footage of your work truck identification. We know you committed these crimes while you were working because you figured that would be your alibi. And after all, I'm just going to get the testimony about your friend, right?
But the jury's gonna be out on you causing the death of a young mother.
Nuh-uh. I never targeted a young person.
We believe you mean to kill her. But you busted into her apartment, you knocked her on the ground, she hit her head on the ground, and unfortunately, she died. So that's her.
I never went into anyone's apartment.
It's your MO.
No, she's dead.
Yep.
I never killed nobody.
Come
Come on, stop confusing me.
Okay, how about I make it really easy for you? The DA wants to charge you with murder. We don't want to charge you.
That's right. I never killed nobody. I never killed anyone.
Right.
I swear.
Good. And how about this? You give us a list of the people that you did victimize, and we'll make sure that you're only charged for the crimes that you did commit.
Robberies.
And not the murder of this young mother.
Okay. Deal.
Great. All right. Be a smart man.
Reagan, a crisis of conscience always goes to one place. I happen to know that this is your favorite one.
How are you doing?
If I was there now, when I was separated from Nikki for the first 5 years of her life, I'm not sure I could ever kill.
Strongest.
God, I wish I was as tough as everyone thinks I am.
You know you couldn't ask me for help this whole time.
What do you think I'm doing here?
I think that you should talk to Darnell.
The last time I spoke to him, he told me to go to him.
Never stop you talking to me. Erin, I will go with you.
It's my case. It's my responsibility.
You are such an Iranian son.
And you say that like it's a bad thing.
Yeah, sometimes. I even started to feel bad that I brought this case to you. And then I feel like, no, this case is a gift.
Well, can I please return it?
You have been given a chance to fix something before it is too late.